And just like that, the brand new engine could have major problems. Yikes. More to come sooner than later, but that was a big scare. All right, so luckily I'm back at the house. Delivered last night, or this morning actually, 6:30 in the morning. But this little guy came on. Oh, the infamous check engine fault. So, I'm gonna pull into the backyard. Already called Hey Guy, and of course, they were on the ball and gave me so much great information. But that was a scary one. And luckily we got a $88 sensor straight from Cummins, or a $10 sensor from New Jersey. So I overnighted it, and we should get that oil pressure back where it needs to be. But you don't want to see that with a brand new engine, do you? There's the hood. Back at the Heritage Park. Scary. Brand new engine, no oil pressure. Yikes. Stay good out there. God bless. Keep trucking. Video to show you how to replace this will soon follow. Hi guys, at the home time, working on a little informative video for you guys, but I got a helper today, so I'm gonna bring her out and walk down to the truck and give you guys some good info. Hey, now wait for me. Come on.
You come on.
This is our helper today, guys. She knows all about everything, so we're gonna use her. Sun came out, snowing yesterday, cleared up a little tonight, was cold as heck today, and now we are sunshine, but still cold. All right.
A little chilly.
A little chilly. So what are we working on today?
We are working on an oil pressure sensor.
For what kind of motor?
ISX.
There you go. Look at her, she's learning.
I know stuff.
All right. Show you guys where it is, show you what the part looks like, and how to get it out.
Hey guys, Katie, the Just Truck and Wife here. I'm going to tell you a little bit about the oil pressure sensor for the Cummins ISX. Back here, in between the ECU connectors, you're going to have this right here, and this is the hardest part. See that little red clip? That little red clip, you're going to have to pull that out to release the connector. And to get the actual pressure sensor out, you're going to need a 1 1/16 socket. And we're going to show you how, get that in there. Here's where we ran into a little bit of a road bump. Unfortunately, we tried to go the cheap route and eBay it. It's the exact same part number. It's sort of the Cummins ISX, but unfortunately, that's not going to work.
Yeah, those connectors are wrong. So you could spend $10, same part number, ISX, Cummins listing and everything, but it's more for the light duty 5.9 to 6.7s, I think. But it has the same thread, same O-ring. It will go in there, but it will not connect to that connector.
So go ahead and
so yeah, spend the 89 at Cummins, or make sure it has this 2-prong connector.
even the inside is a little bit different if you look inside.
Yeah, they're bigger prongs.
So
yeah, don't buy the eBay one. They're trying to scam you. We're gonna send that one back with some bad negative feedback.
yes. All right. I want to thank you guys for watching our video today. Please click and subscribe. There will be more videos coming. Hopefully I can make some more cameos.
There you
I
go.
enjoy
Yeah,
learning.
well, you're a lot better to look at than me. So we will take you whenever you have time away from your children and your busy life.
Thank you.
Thank you, Katie.
Thank you. Thanks, guys.